Welcome back to Rocket Don't Stock It. Today we're going to look at the Asics Hypergel Kenzen. Right, let's get straight into it with this one. This time they've gone for full knit on the upper with the Asics Tigers branding on the side in this more firmer plasticky sort of material, and they've got a slightly smaller heel cage in this plasticky sort of material again, and then they've got, I'm probably wrong here but that either means healthy mind or mind, and this one means healthy body. There's the two plaques on the back, which are two Japanese kanji, I think they're called. They got the same in the inside on the insoles. So one means mind, one means body, and it goes in line with Asics motto, healthy mind, healthy body. So they've opted with no laces. They have this pull tab on the front. It's sort of rubberized, so you can get a bit of grip on there. You might be able to see it. The shiny bits, they're like sort of a molded rubber. And then unfortunately there's no pull tab on the back, so it's a bit of a pain in the arse sometimes getting these on. The sock lining here, around here, it's sort of like a neoprene sock liner, and it's really tight to begin with unless you go half a size up. Now I've been wearing these for about a week solid now. Like, I've worn these to the gym, everywhere, doing errands, work, everything. After about 2-3 days they do feel extremely comfortable. So these are my go-to trainer for the gym, for walking, anything like that. I've been doing cardio in them. So the new tech in this is the midsole. It's a new foam sort of midsole, and throughout the midsole they've worked into the foam a gel bead. So they've got these gel beads worked all the way through the foam midsole, which I think are the different colours. So they're distributed randomly, just to have that bit of absorption added. So when it is compressed, there is a bit of give. It's not really spongy. It's slightly firmer than your Boost and your React. There's not a major amount of give in the upper, but the knit is a good amount. It's not like too restrictive or too loose. You know, like some knits, like prime knit, will give you too much room for movement with walking and all those sorts of things and running. So they're not really designed for performance, but as an example. The only downsides I could give this trainer are the lack of the pull tab on the heel, which is a bit of a pain, but other than that, I'd say it's pretty much full marks all around. If you are going to buy them, half size up, 100%. Like, unless you want your first couple wears to be horrid, they are extremely tight around the ankle if you get your true size. So half size up, definitely, and these will fit amazing and they'll feel good as well. So that's about as much as I've got to say about this pair of shoes. They retail at £125, and you can get them at Asics or Foot Locker, I think, at the moment. Let us know what you think in the comments below of this pair of shoes. Are you a fan of the design or not? Hit me up on Instagram at Rocket Don't Stock It. I'll catch you on the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and and that's it for now. I'll have an on foot video coming next of these, and I'll have photos etc. on my Instagram if you'd like to check that out. Alright, peace.